Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make garlic stock. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 whole heads of fresh garlic, along with some common aromatic vegetables like onions and celery. Make sure you have a large pot, ideally with a 6-quart capacity, ready for simmering. Also, have approximately 8 cups of cold water on hand to cover everything. Now, let's prepare our aromatics. Begin by peeling and roughly chopping all the garlic cloves. There's no need for precise mincing here. Next, dice 1 medium onion and 2 celery stalks into roughly 1-inch pieces. Once prepped, sauté these vegetables in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat until they become fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. With your aromatics softened, it's time to build the stock's flavor. Pour in 8 cups of cold water, ensuring all the vegetables are fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 45 minutes, or up to 1 hour, to extract the deepest, most robust garlic flavor possible. Finally, let's finish and store your delicious garlic stock. Carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, pressing gently on the solids to extract every last drop of liquid. Discard all the cooked vegetables. Allow the finished stock to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.